Guys, let's talk about the facts of BMI, or body mass index. First off, BMI is not an accurate medical calculation. It was actually created by a sociologist by the name of Albert Quetelet, right around 1812, over 100 years ago. His goal was actually to find the perfect average body type. It really had nothing to do with being overweight or not. We know that all bodies are different. We now understand that there's 3 main body types and tons of variations within those body types. BMI doesn't take into consideration muscle mass, bone density, or general body composition. You could have a 6-foot-tall pro athlete and a 6-foot-tall couch potato, and they might have a very similar BMI. Instead of BMI, you want to look for body fat percentage. This can be easily done by something like a DEXA scan or something like that. One of the easiest ways to measure body fat is waist circumference. This is important because